Hello and welcome back to Galatians Designs, everyone. So for today's DIY, we're going to be making our stretchy festive Christmas or holiday season bracelet. Already went ahead, laid out the seed beads. Clothespins for the stopper, and so just gonna take the length that we need to go around, and then we'll be putting our mini clothespin as the stopper so the beads won't slide off. And now from here, it's just to measure the length or well, because it's a stretchy bracelet, the length doesn't necessarily matter. However, the typical length is around 7.5 or 8 inch, give or take room, so it's not too tight when it's like on your end or so forth. Now what we're gonna go ahead is to finish lay out our seed beads. It's up to you how you'd like to design your seasonal bracelet. We're going to stop it up to 8 inches. Typically the length is 8 inches, and for a stretch one it doesn't necessarily matter what size or the measurement, because you can just stretch the bracelet to fit however you want it to be loose and not too tight. So to begin, we take our first seed bead and we're gonna add it onto the stretchy cord. And we just take our beads and add them. Second seed bead, and stringing it on. Also, I'm just using a tweezer because of my nails, okay? So the tweezers are optional. Continue just laying on, putting on the seed beads onto the string one by one, and we continue all the way around until we reach our last seed beads. So continue adding your seed beads until the last or the end. Okay, so onto our last seed bead in length. Once you've added all the seed beads together, approximately 8 inches. Cut our string, our cord actually, and now we're going to try and make a knot. So first we're going to remove our clothespin, our stopper. So first we're going to take our stretchy bracelet and probably try and stretch it a bit so you can have a good grip, and then I'm going to make a basic knot as though, you know, a bow knot once, okay, and then we're going to try again to make a second bow knot, right, and then we're going to tug at this really tight. Okay, now we're going to try and do a surgeon knot, which is to go around twice instead of once. With a bow knot, we're going under twice, okay, like so. Tug at that twice. We're going to do a bow knot again to secure the surgeon's knot, and once again do another surgeon's knot, 1 and 2, and there we go. Just pull it really tightly, okay, and a bow knot now to secure the last surgeon's knot. And with this technique, you don't need to add any glue, so this is glueless basically. But if you want to go ahead to further reinforce the knot, you can add glue. So I'm just gonna cut the excess string or cord, and then our last step now is to hide our knot. So there we have our stretchy bracelet. So yep. Now we're gonna begin to hide our knots. So you just try and move it along our big bead now. I'm holding onto the seed bead while tugging. Okay, and there you go. Slight tug and then it's hidden. There we go. So that completes stretchy seed bead, Christmas seed bead stretchy bracelet. And yeah, it's very simple, easy to make, quick and easy. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Yeah, there we go. So thank you all once again for watching. Season's greetings to you all. Thank you. Bye.